Arti Loans versus Upgrade Usage Experience. In this video, we'll be comparing Arti Loans and Upgrade, two well-known personal loan platforms. Links to both services are available in the description below, so be sure to check them out for more information. Let's dive into the key features, benefits, and which platform might be the right fit for you. Arti Loans uses cutting-edge AI technology to provide fast, customized loans. It's designed for borrowers who need quick, personalized loan solutions, whether for debt consolidation, home improvement, or covering unexpected expenses. The AI-driven process offers a tailored loan offer based on your credit profile and financial needs. Arti Loans is perfect for those who want a fast and flexible lending experience with the option of quick approval, often within hours. It's a great choice for borrowers who may have varying credit histories, as the platform adapts to different financial situations, offering competitive interest rates and a seamless user experience. On the other hand, Upgrade offers personal loans and credit lines with an emphasis on transparency and flexibility. Known for its straightforward application process, Upgrade is designed for borrowers with fair-to-good credit who are looking for quick and hassle-free loan access. Upgrade's loan amounts range from $1,000 to $50,000, and it provides flexible repayment terms up to 84 months. A unique feature of Upgrade is its option for credit lines, allowing borrowers more flexibility in managing their finances. Upgrade also offers an educational component, helping borrowers track their progress and improve their credit scores. When comparing Arti Loans and Upgrade, Arti Loans stands out for its AI-powered approach and fast processing time, making it ideal for those who need quick, customized loan options. Upgrade, however, offers a more traditional yet transparent lending experience with larger loan amounts and the added benefit of a credit line option. In conclusion, if you're looking for fast, AI-driven loan options, Arti Loans is the way to go. If you need larger loans with flexible terms and the option to manage a credit line, Upgrade might be the better choice. Check the links in the description to explore both platforms.